Magsisimula na po ba?
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG.
Ang telebisyon at pelikula ay mahalagang parte ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. It plays a crucial role in telling our own stories and our own experiences as Filipinos. Sa bagong Pilipinas, inaanyayahan ng MTRCB ang bawat manonood.
Kasama ang pribadong sektor, kaisa ninyo ako, ang aking pamilya, at ang ating pamahalaan sa pagtangkilik sa mga pelikulang Pilipino at mga programang pang-telebisyon. Dahil ang bagong Pilipino ay ipinagmamalaki ang kwentong Pilipino.
Bagong Pilipino.
Tara! Nood tayo! Bagong Pilipino? Tara! Nood tayo!
Bagong Pilipino. Tara, nood tayo.
Aming Ama, maraming salamat po sa pagtatapos ng araw na ito. Salamat po sa lakas at siglan na iyong ipinagkaloob na siyang ibinuhos namin sa aming mga gawain. Naway bantayan niyo po kami at ingatan sa aming pag-uwi at pamamahinga sa aming mga tahanan. Tulungan mo po kaming maging handa sa mga panibagong pagsubok na aming haharapin. Sa iyo namin ipinagkakatiwala ang aming buhay at pag-asa. Ito ang aming dalangin sa ngalan ng iyong anak at aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas na si Jesus. Amen. This is DZOZ-DTV Channel 33, a commercial TV station transmitting on a 25 kilowatt effective radiated power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated with temporary permit number BSD-0208-2024 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2027. Zoe DTV Channel 33 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 2000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe DTV Channel 33 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. And carried out by the following electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Engineer Jed Elison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jimwell M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, ECE number 68369. Engineer Michael Andu M. Kapendit, ECE number 76124. Engineer Terry John H. Blanza II, ECE number 41568. Manijoy G. Falculan, ECT number 23222. John Paul R. Og Sommer, ECT number 27635. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV 32, Baguio City, DTV 20, Cebu City, DTV 20, Guimaras, DTV 20, Cagayan de Oro City, DTV 20, Davao City. This is DZOZ DTV Channel 33, now signing off.